Twain is not just the name of a riverboat or a great American author. It also means the water here is too fast enough for us to proceed on a steam-powered journey along the rivers of America. On our trip, we'll visit the magnificent Columbia. New Orleans is rich in history, music, good food, and ghost stories. One of those stories involves the old mansion you see over there on the hill. I've heard it said that the place is haunted, filled with 999 ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And they're looking for one more to make that even thousand. If you're brave enough, you should see for yourself after you arrive back at the land. He's telling the tale of how a woodpecker taught young tribesmen to take a hollowed-out branch and turn it into the most wondrous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend the Lakota have passed down from generation to generation. And there, just beyond the shore, is a tribe